Poultry farming business is highly profitable if it is run under the acceptable methods. Poultry farming follows specific operational principles if they must run profitably, but oftentimes such principles are ignored by the farm authority that it led to serious losses. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. Today's video, let me share with you my personal experiences about the free-range chicken farming. I must say that this farming activity about chicken is very challenging. If you can observe some basic principles and practices on your farm, I'm sure that you will become successful. And today's video, allow me to share with you my experiences over the past 4 years in this free-range chicken farming. And please watch this video. In my experience in chicken farming, there are things that must be done in order for us to become successful. And one of which is to provide good housing. Free-range chicken coop does not require to be so big to house the chickens. However, the birds need to be given shelter in case of extreme weather conditions. The measurement of the coop would depend on the amount of space available on a farm or backyard. The following are the requirements for us to be able to establish a good housing for our chicken. First, it should be located away from residential and industrial area. Second, it should have the basic amenities like water and electricity. One of the things that I did to address the issue about the coldness during the night is to provide them with this heater. Actually, we made this box to serve as heater for these chicks during the night. It's really cold here, especially if it is raining. That's why I said that this is actually a process where we are not so sure about the success or the failures. That's why this is a thing that we have done to address the problem. The problem was that during the night, this barn will become so cold, and if it is raining, this galvanized iron will also be the cause for the very low temperature that our chicks are chilling. And then poultry house should be located in an elevated area, and there should not be any water logging to avoid viruses. Another reason is in order to protect our birds from the flood. I have experienced so many casualties of our chicken during the flood, and this is a great lesson for us to ponder. The poultry house should have proper ventilation. The poultry house should be located in such a way that long axis in east to west direction. This will prevent the direct sunshine over the birds. There are three different types of poultry houses that I have. The first, the chick house or the brooder. It is used to brood and rear chicks from 0-day old to 8 weeks of age. And then the second one is the grower house. It is used to grow birds from 8 weeks to 18 weeks of age. And finally, we have the breeder house, in which both male and female breeders are maintained in an appropriate sex ratio. In my breeder house, I put the ratio of 1 rooster to 5 hens. It is important that you will provide boxes where these hens can lay their eggs, because there is a tendency that if they don't have proper boxes where to lay their eggs, some of them will step on the egg, and when it is broken, they will start eating until this becomes their normal habit. I have here the tray, and this tray will fit how many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This can cater 88 eggs, and we will try to fill this up, this tray. We will go around, we will get inside in the breeding pens and collect some eggs. Come on, let's go. A year ago, we finally able to finish the construction of this breeding pen, and I'm so glad that many of those who are also breeding their chickens have been enlightened by the design of the chicken breeding coop that we have fabricated. And one from Africa said that it's really very helpful. So I'm so happy to hear about those comments, and I'm so glad that many of those breeders also have somehow adopted the style of this chicken coop, the design. This will not take as long. I will just get the egg. Okay, there are how many? 5 eggs. Okay. Wow. Let me gather and collect your eggs. Okay, thank you. There are 5 again. 5! So we can get plenty of eggs right here. But it's sad to note that one of the eggs was broken. Why? Because maybe they have stepped on it. Wow. Plenty of eggs right here. What is this? Very big. And we have to clean this immediately because the hen was able to step on one egg and it was broken. In order for us to become more successful, a farmer should also need to have an alternative food for chickens. With the sudden increase of the prices of these commercial feeds, a farmer should know how to do or make an alternative food for your chicken. So guys, we have finally chopped this cabbage into pieces, and this cabbage is just very available in the market. Here in our place, you can just get this for free because these are no longer used, and these are actually now garbage. So we can make use of this as our supplement for the feeding of our chicken. A farmer should know how to cut down the cost of the farm inputs such as the azolla. So guys, we're now harvesting our azolla, and you can imagine how massively this can grow. And since we're aiming to produce hundreds, if not thousands of chickens and ducks, I am really bent on constructing more boxes of this azolla. And within this year, my plan is to construct more than 10, maybe around 15 boxes of this size. And I am sure that this will now solve the problem of the very high cost of the commercial feeds that we are buying. Azolla has several pharmacological effects and can be used as antioxidant. It can stimulate the immune system and can be best source of protein for our chicken. If you will see, I have here one pail of this commercial pellet. And normally, if we don't have this azolla, we will use 3 pails full, like this one. But since we have this azolla, we will only use now only 1 pail. When I first introduced azolla to my chickens, I cut down more than 30% of my expenses for the feeds. Hi guys! You will eat again. So these are our roosters. They're here actually reserved for the next breeding season, and their schedule to the breeding pen is actually rotational. See that? How they are longing for this food. Okay, go eat. The production of the eggs has maintained, but the cost of the feeds has lowered down to a great extent. The study reveals that the use of 30% of azolla along with the 70% commercial feed in poultry broiler diet increases the body weight gain, reduce the mortality rate due to heat stress during summer, and reduce the cost of production of chicken. In addition, it offs smell and housefly population, and mosquito menace can be reduced by growing azolla in and around the poultry farm and feed to the poultry birds. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will be encouraged to do your own farming about this free-range chicken. And I would like to make a shout out to the members of this channel, to our regular viewers, our followers, and those ones who made an effort to, put inputs in the comment box. Thanks a lot. And more of these videos about chicken farming, the squirrel, and the rabbits will be revealed in our future videos. That's why I invite you to please subscribe. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we are doing videos regularly. See you in my next video, only here at Dexter's World!